Let's say you're completely redesigning your manuscript in Scrivener 3 for Windows. What's the easiest way to get rid of the current structure and create a new one? If you're rearranging a manuscript, the likelihood is that you're going to want to create a completely or substantially different folder structure, and you might simply want to start from scratch with all your documents spread out in a list. Well, if you want to remove all the items from a folder without fiddling around with dragging and dropping, simply select the folder, right-click, and select Ungroup. Then all the items that are at that level will appear flat at the top level of the binder. If you have subfolders, you'll have to do the same with them. After you've done that, you might want to start creating completely new folders in the easiest way possible. Well, select all the individual documents. They don't have to be next to each other. Use Ctrl and click for that. And right-click and choose New Folder for selection. This can be done for subfolders too. So there's one way to reorganise things, but just make sure you're certain you don't want the original structure before you begin. Next time we'll be talking about a way to work with split screens that helps you manage it more easily.